The Jamaat-ud-Dawa will appeal against the ban imposed on it by the UN Security Council. Speaking exclusively to CNN-IBN in Lahore in the first interview to an Indian TV channel since the ban, the Jamaat spokesman questioned the legal basis for the ban.
This is a universal principle of justice that no one can be condemned unheard. So there was no, you can say, contact with us that these are allegations against it. Do you have anything to say? So this was a biased movement, biased move by Security Council, biased decision. And we, inshallah, we will go there and we will try to delist ourselves.
Many jihadi organizations supported the attack on Mumbai. What does the Jamaat think of this? What is your stand on this?
Targeting civilians, targeting the public places. This cannot be accepted according to the teachings of Islam. This is our position.
And you were telling us that there is no link between the Jamaat-ud-Dawa and the Lashkar. Yet Hafiz Saeed heads both organizations.
Lashkar and Jamaat, they are not the same organization. They are totally different organizations. Lashkar has its own command and control. Lashkar is led by Maulana Abdul Wahid Kashmiri, and he is from Poonch of occupied Kashmir, I think. And Hafiz Saeed is the head of Jamaat-ud-Dawa since 1986. We have nothing to do with any kind of armed activities, not even in Kashmir, not anywhere. We are only operating inside Pakistan. Our work is just to humanitarian work, educational and preaching.
Muntazari accused India of painting the Jamaat chief Hafiz Saeed as a terrorist. He claimed that Muridke was neither the headquarters of the Lashkar nor, for that matter, the Jamaat-ud-Dawa. Muntazari said the Pakistani crackdown on the Jamaat had forced the closure of its seminaries and free schools in Muridke and elsewhere. With Manoj Menon and Surya Gangadharan in Lahore, in New Delhi, Shailesh Rai.